Hi guys, as you know, I trade live most every day, and I've started to open my channel up, my live trading room and my community to people who subscribe to the channel, get a ticket, and well, they can come a few times a month, watch the live events, and come and trade with me. Very late in the day, I know. It's Thursday evening. My next trading event, well, it's tomorrow. It's Friday, 10 a.m. UK. What I thought I would do is put this little video out. If you want to trade with me live, free, no sign up, nothing required. Just follow the link down in the comments and you can trade with me live. It's on a Zoom call. We'll open the room up about 5 to 10 in the morning and we will trade as we normally do. We'll trade the FTSE, we'll have a look at the DAX. Let's go and have a look at the charts, and I'll just show you what we'll probably be doing tomorrow. So we'll be looking at the FTSE. We'll be looking to see if we can get a bounce. That will be all dependent really to a great degree on crude. If crude starts to go up, it will help drag the FTSE up in the morning because there's a strong correlation there with oil stocks in the FTSE 100. So we'll be looking for a bounce on the FTSE. Don't forget Heikin candles. That's what we want to use to be able to trade tomorrow. So don't forget, if you're going to come on tomorrow, get Heikin candles on and get ready to trade. So here's crude. We'll be looking for that bounce on crude to try and take us back up a little bit. It's trading against a 4-hour trend, but we will give it a go. We've got strategies for that. As you can see, we've got the fractals here. I'll show you how to use the fractals live and hopefully show you some nice trades on crude. We will also, if we're looking at crude, we're looking at gold. What we'll be doing tomorrow, again, we'll be looking to see if this daily resistance line is held, and we'll be looking for a trade on gold. So we'll be doing the indices tomorrow. We'll be doing crude. We'll be doing gold. We'll also be looking at our fractal bots and all our different AI screeners to try and find some live trades. As we've seen, we'll go through all the screeners as well. On gold, we've got a really nice stotch pullback on the 1 hour. So quite exciting, and we probably can do really well out of gold tomorrow. But right, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to start. We're going to have a look at the FTSE 100, update on where we trade from our morning early session trades. We're then going to have a look at crude and the correlation between crude and the FTSE, and we're going to look at gold and see if we can trade those. Amongst that, we'll also be looking at our fractal bots and see what we can do and how we can manage those as well. So room will open roughly 5 to 10. We'll be trading live from 10 o'clock for around about an hour, maybe a little bit more if there are opportunities are there. So if you're interested, come and join us. Don't forget the link below on the Zoom. It is 10 a.m. Friday, tomorrow morning. We will be trading live. If you want to sign up, at the end of this video, you'll see a little sign up video. If you click on that, then you can sign up, get a free ticket from the website, and then you can come and trade with me a few times a month, all free. Enjoy. See you tomorrow, maybe. Bye-bye.